how to approve your Facebook login from another device. So when you try to log in from your a new device, Facebook will send you a code to your phone or your email. You need to enter this code to log in. How to approve your login. So what we need to do is we need to simply first one, we have a lot of ways. So first one is, if you have your Facebook app installed on your phone, you will receive a notification with a code to enter this code in a login screen to approve your high login through your email. If you don't have the Facebook app installed in your phone, or if you don't want to use it, you can also receive a code through your email. Click on the link in the email to approve your login. Why this feature is helpful? This security feature helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. If someone tries to log in into your account from a new device, they won't be able to do so unless they have the code. What if I don't receive a code? That's a problem. If you don't receive the code, there are few things you can do. Check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes code can end up in your spam or junk folder, and then try again. Sometimes there can be a delay in sending the code. Try again later and see if you have received it. uh, a request code new a new request code. If you still don't receive the code, you can request for a new code. To do this, click on the didn't get a code link on the login screen. And I hope this video helped you and understand how to approve your login into another phone or computer.